So I would like to thank this opportunity for me to have the platform to share my experience in life. And for this topic of this video, I would like to dwell in the topic of attraction. This is a video that should be parental guidance 18 and up as much as possible. Adult, this is a topic for adult to adult topic, and it is very passionate of mine to share by, and which is the magic, the psychology, the logic of attraction and male to female dynamics personality. So, pasensya na kung i-mix ko ng English because sometimes I feel more in tune with the language of English. Sometimes I would speak it in Tagalog or Bisaya. So, yan yung three of my dialects, and I will try to maybe more flow with Tagalog and English so that everyone will understand what I'm about to share. So, let's start when I started about this. This has been like 10 years of my journey experiencing relationship, experiencing dating, attracting, enjoying with a partner, no, with a female counterpart of my polarity, which is I am a male person. So this is very nice to be part of your journey. I mean, everyone gets to a relationship in some sort of emotion. Could be family, could be lover, could be sibling, brother, or what do you prefer? So it's a very nice experience to learn by, especially for us men capable of transforming, creating, manifesting a better life for ourselves. And it's much more better to share it with someone, some people, some lovers, some friends, some family. So I'm here to teach you, be part of this growth of understanding yourself, of communicating with yourself, communicating with others, how to be more attractive, not just from the outside, but also attractive and self-loving of who you are meant to be, who you want to be. I've been very passionate when it comes to dating, attracting, because I'm a person who, I'm just a person. I'm just a person who wants to experience the best confident who I can be. And by applying that emotion, your energy, by also expanding that to others, people can feel a very fire-burning desire and very attractive that the female energy can feel by intuition, not just by looking at you, but also by energy, by something that is not just what you can see or tangible, but something energy. So I want to join you in my life and experiencing and learning, not just you, but also me, growing as myself, experiencing the world, attracting. And you know, I give myself freedom, no? If I have loved, I have loved. I think the most important love is yourself. So for now, I want to love fully, but I want to love fully by also being letting go, no? Letting go of this restriction that we put into ourselves, giving freedom and abundance and health and prosperity to have a better life for ourselves. So I thank you for being here, still watching me talking about what I really desire to speak about. Not just some humor and comedy, which is life is all about, is to have fun, but also the seriousness and the talent and the skill that we dedicate ourselves and time to be disciplined and to be good and to be, alam mo na, yun na yun. That's the end of our video. Thank you.